So as I've been building these lamps, I've been building little helper tools that I had been calling jigs, but a jig is actually something that moves with a saw blade or a drill. This is a fixture. A fixture actually sits in place while you hold things, and it gives you the carpenter's third hand. Now, what I'm building here is the base of the lampshade that fits onto the lamp itself. And this is a simple square, 45-degree cuts, a very specific length. I'm able to do it on the chop saw and get everything perfect, so that when I take these 4 little pieces of wood that I've just cut here and fit them together, I should end up with a really nice square. The problem is that as a human being, I'm not necessarily that great at keeping it square when I start fitting it together. So I take my first piece, clip it to the bench with a clamp, and then position things properly so that that fixture, that little block of wood, lets me know that not only is it square, but it's in the right place. So when I take my nailer and the glue and start really putting this together, I have the confidence that I'm actually building a square, not a slightly off slanted square. And when it's all done, what I end up with is a nice, even piece of wood that I'm able to move on to the next step with.